Today we're installing a fire and water feature, the stacked slate sphere, using an basin 45, the underground reservoir. Mark and dig out takes about 40 to 60 minutes if you're fit. For compact clay, use a pickaxe and then a shovel to remove the soil elsewhere in the garden. You can use sand to backfill as you'll need to level the basin. Check the size of the hole using the basin 45. Removing more soil as needed before compacting the base. Using the spirit level from side to side, not forgetting front to back. Once the basin is level, backfill around the basin using a loose material. We have chosen to use an Ultra 2000 to supply the water. We also used a splash curtain to avoid having to top it up. Install the decorative water feature. This comes part of a kit. Stacked slate sphere with fire. Connect up the water and the gas line to the feature. Fill with water and switch on the pump. Add additional fireglass. Switch the gas on and ignite the flame. Relax and unwind and be amazed by the new feature.